Hi, I'm Natalie from Australia and I'm a master's student at Tsinghua. Today I'm going to show you the bicycle culture around campus. I bought my bicycle from Mr. Zhang here this year. It's a beautiful white bike. They gave me a basket with it, a lock, and that gorgeous little duck over there that I call my Peking duck, all for 250 kwai. And for that price, I'm going to get free repairs any time of the year, whenever it breaks down. Morning, night, pumping up tires, everything. Bicycle culture is at its most vibrant at Tsinghua University. Tsinghua has such an enormous campus that sometimes it can even feel like a small city. That's why cycling is essential. Bicycles are our most trusted companions here. That's why choosing one to buy is such a special personal experience. Whether you're a student, teacher or visitor here, it's impossible to rush to meetings or classes, simply going by foot from one side of the campus to the other. So renting or buying a bicycle allows you to properly enjoy all there is to see. The most magical times to be cycling your bike around here are during rush hour. Lu, which is this one right here, is Tsinghua's busiest. Swerving, gliding, dodging, merging. This place becomes a crazy highway and it's surreal to join the crowds as they head back or to work. So it is extremely crowded here with bicycles, and that's because every student has one. If they don't, they're definitely using share bikes. So you're likely to find tens of thousands of bicycles around Tsinghua at any time of day. The lush green gardens throughout campus are freshly watered every day, but this water is recycled and reused from showers in the student dormitories. That way the university is able to look beautiful and be environmentally conscious. There are also courses on green energy taught at various schools within Tsinghua at both an undergraduate and graduate level. On Saturday and Sunday mornings, toddlers as young as 3 years old make friends with other kids their age as they rush along, becoming comfortable with their man-powered new vehicles. Something that all of us millennials will agree with. It's refreshing to see that Tsinghua really encourages such green transport options like cycling. Not only does this help protect the environment, but it keeps us fit and healthy as we go about our daily lives.